two methods to getting a data from database from grid view. So in a grid view, getting a data from database in two methods. How to use that I will teach it. First method, data source, using a data source method I will teach it. Okay, this is my SQL server connections here. So here view, go to view and click SQL server Explore. Inside server Explore you can add the database. Just click add connection, put your computer name or server name or dot, anything you can put, and find your database which you are created in your systems, and you can choose it from the database. Okay, already I have many databases I choose here, so I will take any database here, and now I will take Q's database. In Q's database I have the many tables. In that table I will teach Q's details. So first of all I will see any records is there or not inside this table. So I have two records on that table. So now I will try to link with those records into my grid view. So first of all I will go to the toolbox here. Here I will choose grid view. This is first grid view. In first grid view, first method I am using. So here I am not do anything. Just I am drag and bigger than. I will put one button also here. So just drag the button here. This is my button. I am using method 1. So double click the button. Here I have the, by viewing purpose I will increase the font size to 100% to 130%. Okay, so viewers can view clearly. That's the purpose I will increasing the font size here. Now I am going to import some library functions using namespaces system.data.sql client. Okay, after that I need to connect those data connections database here. So just click that database and right click, go to the properties. Here you will see the connection string. Just you have to copy those connection string here, Control C. Now I will add SQL connection con equal to new SQL connections here. Inside a connection, just I am paste it that links, paths. Now I am using SQL data adapter, any name SDA equal to new SQL data adapter here. I have to provide any name here. I need this table quiz details. So right click the quiz details here, click new query window, new query. So quiz details, click. Now we need all those details here. So just click all columns. So you will get the code and click execute the project. We will get those records here. So what can I do? Just first of all I will copy the code and go to the SQL adapter, just and pasting that code. So here see the error will be showing because this code is say 2 lines. So you writing more than one line, then you can add before the double quote you have to put @ sign here, so it won't show the error right now. So after that we need to connect this connection to the SQL adapter. So just click the comma and the con connection. Okay, now I am declaring one data table dt equal to new data table here. So after sda dot fill, inside a fill section here to put the dt here. Okay, now so I am using data grid view, right? Data grid view one dot data source equal to dt. Just I put like that. Now I put the save, and now just time click the run the button. So first of all we have to set that this form is default form, so I am going to getting, just click close the program and run the project once again. Now I click the method 1. So we got it. So form 1 like that we will get it. So this is here new line adding also is coming. So you want to remove that last line, then just you have to go to the designer and click here and click here and click enable adding. Now I am click running and click the button, so we will get those two records. So this is a method 1. So I need to display method 2 options. So method 2, so what can I do right now? So I will add one more grid view here. One more grid view here. I will paste the grid view before the first grid view. Okay, the first grid view, second grid view, just you have to check it. This is second grid view. Yeah, grid view 2 is there. So here you have to add the columns here. So edit column, click edit column and add column 1, column 2, column 5, up to column 5 I will add and click OK. So you have to see how many records is there. Once again I will see how many columns. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, more than 6 columns is there. So I need to add one more column here. So enable editing and click the last column and add, just add, close and OK. So 6 columns, I added the 6 columns here. So I want to here enable addings, remove the enable addings to these columns. So I will copy this button and paste it, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. So I got same button like that. This is method 2, METHOD method 2. Here click the button. Here same code I will just copy it and paste it. Here that I am using DataGridView 2, right? DataGridView 2 rows dot clear. This is method 2. I am using for each. So for each any syntax doubts comes in, here I will give the shortcut right click and shift, right click, insert cPanent. Here visual C#, double click the visual C#, and here choose the for each and double click here. So the automatically syntax will be created like that. Here I will change variable is data row data row. Here dt, data table dt dot rows. So how many rows comes in data table, that time the loop will be executed. Here int n equal to DataGridView DataGridView 2 dot rows dot add, like that. Here DataGridView 2 dot rows n dot cell 0 dot value equal to item dot 0 dot to string. Just copy those lines 5 times. V. So totally 6 column is there, 3 3 6. I will change just 1 2 3 4 and then 5. Here also 1 2 3 4 and then 5. Just I'm saving those record. Now I am just click the button. So click the method 2. Method 2 will be working perfectly, but the thing is, just a minute. So I click the method click, then grid view, DataGridView 2 dot visible equal to true, DataGridView 1 dot visible equal to false, and copy this code once again and paste this code. Now I am here I am changing 1 and 2. Method 2, method 1. So method 1 header will be like that. Method 2 header will be column 1, column 2. So we need to change the header also. So just what can I do? Just go to design and click the method 2. Here edit columns, and first column here text option is the text, header text. Here that you have to choose QU quiz underscore ID, and so like that it will be changed here. So you want then like that you have to change those records. Okay guys, we will meet on next tutorial.